Lord, let your mercy speak for me, by Poetess Denise Fyffe. Lord, let your mercy speak for me, let it whisper above the roar. Let your mercy strive in my life, let it defeat my every foe. Lord, let your light shine through me. Let your love abound. Lord, let your mercy be my rod and staff, let it be my rear guard. Lord, who else is greater than you? Who else can do what you do? Lord, let your mercy speak for me, Lord, let it be from you. When people say no, I cannot go, let your mercy shout yes. When people put obstacles before me, let your mercy grow my wings. When curses abound and evil is rife, Lord, let my life be filled with your light. When plots and plans are hatched in the dark, Lord, reveal every secret plan. Lord, turn their hatch into foolishness and lay waste to their siege strategies. Lord, open their eyes so they can see, your strong army is forever with me. When people say there is no hope, let your mercy speak. When there is no food or money, Lord, let your mercy speak. When bills pile high and tears run dry, Lord, let your mercy roar, and when friends have gone and enemies are found, Lord, let your mercy confound. Lord, speak to me and through me. Lord, speak, unlike men. Lord, let your mercy speak aloud and even whisper above the plots of men. Amen.